First, let's look at a printed letter B. For cursive, we're going to have a lead-in line coming from the left, and we're going to add a loop, and that helps our hand travel through the letter and make it quicker and smoother. When we come up, we're not going to circle all the way in. We're going to stop, we're going to pause, we're going to drop down, and we're going to swish out. Starting at the green line, we're going to take our blue marker, looping all the way up to the top line, coming back down, touching the red base line, looping up to the dotted line. You'll see me switch to purple. I drop down and sharply swish to the right. And now let's try some with each line spacing. You can notice that I'm working on my angle. Having that slight tilt to the right is an important part of a cursive letter B. All cursive letters. You can try whichever one feels most comfortable to you, and definitely try to get one that's a little bit harder, a little bit more of a challenge to work your writing to be a good size. And then you can try a word. Let's try the word bat. B-A-T. All right, starting by looking at a printed F, we've got the hook down into the straight part and we crisscross. When we lead in for our cursive letter, we've got our lead in line, and our hand is going to come up all the way to the top line, create a loop, and drop all the way down, down, down to the lower line, looping back up to the red base line and swishing away. The lead in line and the lead out line actually end up looking like the crisscross, and we don't need to cross the F the way we do a printed F. Let's look at this together. So starting from the green dot, looping up all the way to the top, down, all the way down, looping back up, you'll see my purple stroke to the red line and yellow line sweeping away into the next letter or at the end of the word. And then let's try some Fs in those various spacing arrangements and try to get a really nice angle on your Fs. Be sure to try all those different line heights, making sure that your letter hits the very, very top and the very, very bottom. And let's also try a word. Let's try the word far. F-A-R.